Hey everyone, welcome to the Better Crypto. We got a really exciting video here today talking about the Alonzo hard fork and when smart contracts are coming to Cardano. It's officially announced today from IOHK and Cardano Foundation that smart contracts will be launching on Cardano's mainnet on September 12th, 2021. Let me go and break down some of the dates and some of the information on how we're going to get to the September 12th launch date. As of right now, we're well into Alonzo Purple. Partners are making great progress on developing and testing their dApps. Performance and scalability tests are ramping up for the new version of the Cardano node, and the final mainnet candidate is set to release on August 16th. And exchanges are already working with the platform as well. They're connected with IOHK, they're in line with timelines, everything has been communicated, and there's general alignment around the Cardano space around the September 12th release. This is really exciting because this is going to bring us DeFi applications, DEXs to Cardano's decentralized exchanges, and a whole suite of other dApps that Ethereum has been enjoying for years now. But it's really important that we get this right. Cardano's come a long way from when it first launched with Byron era and then going into Shelley and now with Goguen era with the launch of smart contracts. We need to make sure this does go smoothly for all 140 centralized exchanges that have ADA listed on their platforms due to the need for liquidity. But overall, it's been a journey, but it looks like we're finally coming to the end of it. And it's amazing to see smart contracts launching on Cardano. And you better expect there to be a lot more coverage on Cardano coming soon on this channel, The Better Crypto. Definitely consider subscribing to us. And remember, you can stake your ADA with the Better pool. That's ticker BETTR. We'd love to welcome new delegators into our pool and join the Better community. Thanks so much for watching this video and for sharing what feels like one of the most important moments in Cardano's history.